So I wanted to start this video series the way I start by positioning workshops, by talking about your customers, but then I didn't, and so this is the third video in the series. So if you want to see the other videos, check out my YouTube channel, share, like, subscribe, I don't know, click all the buttons. You know what to do. Customer knowledge is probably the single most important thing you have in your company. Change happens all the time. We saw with COVID, how everything changed overnight. The channels, the algorithms, the financial markets, everything changed. Companies who work on their basics, who think about their positioning, who stay in touch with customers, will adapt to these changes much better than companies who don't. The knowledge you get on your clients stays in your company. And even if everything else changes, you still not know what your customers need. You still know how to provide value for your customers, and value means money. I co-founded my first company in 2015. The company is called Creative Solutions. How original. Me and my business partner had the idea of selling virtual reality tours to companies. Like True Geeks, we thought the product was enough. Like, make a great product and people will come. Yeah, right. When it wasn't, we gathered 400 contacts and sent out the emails. Got 0 responses. Keith didn't respond. Lisa didn't respond. Linda didn't respond. Thanks, Linda. Carl said that he isn't the right person to talk to about this in this company. We were pretty desperate. We had the best product in the world that nobody wanted to buy. But not getting any responses from our cold emails told us something we were doing was completely off, completely wrong. Something had to change. We were lucky enough, we are a part of a startup community, a community of entrepreneurs, peers, mentors, who are always eager to offer advice. And the advice was pretty repetitive. Talk to your customers. You don't know who you are selling to, so talk to your clients and find out what they want. We started gathering more and more data about the customers. We analyzed the profiles of inbound leads. We Googled how our target companies are structured, who the decision makers are. We integrated interviews into our work processes, so whenever we had a project, we would learn more about our customers as well. And found that it's no wonder we didn't get any responses with the first email campaign. We were sending out, the wrong emails with the wrong content to the wrong people in the wrong companies. Our timing was probably off as well. We don't do cold email campaigns anymore. Companies we tried to target in the beginning are now reaching out to work with us. Why? Because we know how to talk to them. We know what they need. We know how to, write that on the website. We know how to structure our marketing brochures and attract their attention. And it all starts with our customers' knowledge, with the knowledge we gained about our customers. So there you go, customer knowledge for the win. Want to win? Talk to your customers. Customers are the ones that bring the money into your company. So build your company around them. You're doing this for them. Your positioning, your marketing, your messaging, everything becomes clearer when you have enough customer knowledge. Hope you enjoyed that one. If you did, hit all the buttons on YouTube, like it, share it, spread it around, and I'll see you next time.